you do for me? What type of thing?
Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. You don't actually need an empty background. You just walk in, look up, do as if you pick something. Then you drag your hand down and put it inside your pocket. Then you walk out, alright?
Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut.
CapCut, new project now. Locate your video and import it to workspace. Import your video. This is the video we imported. Let's mark out where we want it to start from. From here, click on the video and make a split. You delete this first part, we don't need it again. So at this point, we want to be clicking on overlay, add overlay, import your song. Look at my song there, import it. So at this point, click on splice, alright? Locate filter, click on filter, mark on that good and go back. So as I walk in now, immediately my hand goes up, push that song to the point of your hand. Push the song to the point of your hand, okay? As you push it and adjust it, let's see what we just did. Immediately you come and your hand goes to the light, make a split there. You want to be making a split at the point. Immediately you touch the light, you make a split, okay? Split the video layer. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, alright? If you like what we are doing, give us thumbs up, alright? Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Welcome to the tutorial. Click on the light layer and make a split as well. You want to click on keyframe now. As you make a split, click on keyframe now. Add keyframe. So as you adjust the video now, you want to be dragging that light to the point of your hand. Look at it. You adjust the video, you drag the light down to the point of your hand. Don't make mistake. Take it gradually, alright? Play with this place, alright, so that you will not make mistake. So you are adjusting the video, you are dragging the light down to the point of your hand. Remember, what you want to achieve here is you want to pick the sun and put it inside your pocket, alright? So gradually, so you are moving your hand, you are bringing the light to the point of your hand until you get to your pocket, alright? Look at what I am doing. I'm taking time to do my own. Then drag it now, alright? So immediately you put your hand inside your pocket. Normally, you are going to be cropping this light, alright? You crumple the light. You are going to be crumpling the light. You crumple it, alright? That shows that you have put it inside your pocket. Crumple it until you are not seeing it again. But after that, that is not all. You are come back. We want to make a split. Now click on the light layer. Click on the light layer, okay? You want to click on the light layer and make a split. Then you delete this last part. We don't need it again. Let us see what we have got. At the cost of checking it now, you make your necessary adjustments, alright? You pick the light, then you put it inside your pocket. This is good. Come back to this point now. Click on this navigation button. As you click it, you go and look for adjust now. Locate adjust. Click on adjust, guys. So click on adjust, locate brightness. Reduce it back to 50%. Good. The contrast, you can just reduce it a bit, maybe 20 or 18. Then you go and look for highlight. Click on highlight, reduce it to 50% again. Alright, mark on that good and go back after reducing. Let us see how the video will play now. Alright, let's see how the video will play. I've got to get to this place. I will pick the sun now, right? Then I will put it inside my pocket. You can see we have achieved darkness. So after this point now, what we want to be doing, there is another light effect, another effect I want to add, okay? So you want to click on that navigation button and click on locate overlay now. As you come here, locate overlay, you mark on overlay. Click on overlay now. Add overlay. Look at that light there. That and this one, this effect, you bring it in. As you bring it in now, go to the ending part of the video. Go to the end where the video stopped. After you align it, you go to where the video stopped. At this point now, we are going to be making a split here. Click the light and make a split. Then you click it, this one, and adjust it to where the other one stopped. All right, that is what I did. Then after you adjust it now and align it, you want to click it and come back here, make another split and delete. Make another split, delete this last part now. We don't need it again. So you come to this light now, click the first light, look for splice. All right, you reduce the texture, reduce it maybe to 30, 25 as the case may be. Then you drag it up, you click on this one as well, click on splice again, then you reduce the texture, reduce it to the number you want. You know what you want to achieve. After reducing it now, we want to be adjusting them up and expound them. You expound this one. After expanding this one, click on this one and expound it as well. Then you take it up. All right, then we want to make this very light now, this very effect, we want to make it move. Okay, so we want to make it move. Click on it now, then you push it out completely. Push it out completely. Look at what I am going to be doing. All right, after adjustment, you push it out completely. After pushing it out now, you want to click on keyframe. So as you are adjusting it, you are bringing it back, you are dragging it back. You are adjusting it, you are dragging it back. You are adjusting it, you are dragging it back. Look at what I am doing. Follow the same step, follow the same line so I will not make mistake. So you are adjusting the video, you are dragging it. After dragging this one, you go and do the same thing to the other one. Do the same thing to the other, click it and add your keyframe. All right, after you push it out, and after pushing it out, you come and add your keyframe. All right, and as you add your keyframe, you are pushing the video, you are pushing this one out, you are adjusting the video, you are pushing it out as well, just like you did to the first one. All right, that is what we are going to be doing here as well. Yes, then after that now we are going to be playing the video. Let us see the result we have got so far. All right, after this now, go and play the video from the beginning. Let's see what we have got so far. All right, look at the video is playing. It is playing now. Identify your errors and make your necessary corrections. Good, this is nice. So at this point now, I believe that this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is for you to add your light effect, your sound effect, as the case may be. After that, you export your video. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. My number is at the description of this video. Go and DM me, all right? Then I'll put you through on how to add those things. And after that now, you can now export your video to your gallery. Now, we just want to export this video. So the next thing now is to click on export and export this our video to our gallery. All right, so we are going to be clicking on export now, then adjust here, then you click on export and export this your video to your gallery. The video is exporting now, just exercise patient. All right, in a few seconds now it will export. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. All right, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. All right, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. I will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.